So how do you fill and assign a PDF document on the iPad? So let me get started, and if this is your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and upcoming videos like this one. Well, on the iPad, since the latest version, which is iPad OS 26, we now have a new application which is called the Preview, and it works well because every time I come across like a document when browsing my Files app, you can see that by default when I click on a PDF, right here, it opens it directly through the preview app, right? So you can see it's using the preview, and in there we have some interesting options. In the middle and at the top of the screen, we have a few buttons, and one of them with the pencil and rectangle is for the purpose that perfectly suits us right now. So you can click on that. This makes the blue button with a plus appear in the bottom corner. So click on this, and first of all, you can add a signature. So we want to sign our document, so you can click on that, and I have some signatures I have used previously, so I can reuse those and put it in the correct position, resize it, whatever, right? So that would be one way. And also you can create a brand new signature from scratch. If you click on the button below, you can come up with a new one or delete an existing signature. So that's one thing, of course, but outside of that, we also have the add text form box. So when you click on this, it will basically add a space to your document where you can fill it out with some text, right? So you can see I can type something right in here and even place it exactly where I want it. This is ideal if you have like a blank document where you need to fill out some information, right? And you can use this to type the text in. Even some basic formatting and changes to the text are available, so it definitely gets the job done. Once you're done, of course, you can just save it, or it gets saved automatically, or you can click on share and export the whole finished document. So that would be all from me right now. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it worked. Just hit the thumbs up to let me know about that. Hopefully we can see each other later as well. So subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you then.